Good morning, everyone, and welcome to episode 6 of Coffee Run. If this is your first time here, I'm Leonard McDonald, and Coffee Run is all about me giving you some business tips while I'm on my way to pick up some coffee. Sorry about that. Um, what I want to talk about today is teams, right? So a lot of times as an entrepreneur, we find ourselves in a position where we're really just wearing all kinds of hats, every single hat. A lot of times we do this because we're trying to save money in certain areas, but by trying to do everything, I guess a quick and easy way to really turn your business into a prison that you don't even realize that you're a slave to. And so the reason I want to talk about teams is, it helps alleviate a lot of that pressure, and I really want you to think about the value of your time. So, off rip, the very first thing I'm going to say is your time, the value of your time should be at the bare minimum, like absolute bare minimum, $25 an hour. Like, I don't care how much your job is paying you or anything like that. The value of your time at the absolute bare minimum should be $25 an hour. So, at that point, what we're looking at is if there's something going on with your business, or like, let's say you need to learn like some type of Adobe After Effects or something like that in order to make a commercial for your business. And so you see it's going to cost about maybe $300 or $400 to hire someone to do it. So your first thought is, I'm going to go ahead and just do that myself. I'll learn how to do Adobe After Effects, and because you want it to be of like a high quality, you might even decide to put like 5 hours a day into it for the next week. So like for the next 5 days, you're putting 5 hours into learning Adobe After Effects to make your commercial. So if we're looking, like I said, the bare minimum, $25 an hour, it's going to be about $625 worth of your time that you put into learning Adobe After Effects. Not even into actually utilizing it yet. So at that point, you spent more value of your time than you would have paid in cash to someone to get it done for you. And you're only coming in with a week of experience in doing it, whereas they have, the week that you just came, as well as, years of experience to get it done. And so the reason I'm saying that is you could have saved that time and actually put it all towards something that you're actually really good at to push your business. So when you decide to operate like that, you lift like a weight off of your shoulders of trying to learn this and then trying to execute it. Then of course you want the quality to be high. So it's just like all these things one after another. And that's just the commercial. That's not everything else that you're doing in your business. So what I really want you to do, take some time today and just make a list of all the different positions in your business of things that need to be done. Graphic designer, Adobe After Effects, just anything at all. And start trying to plug into those things like a dollar amount to see how much it would cost to get it done, and then utilize the value of your time to see the difference between if you did it yourself and if you paid someone else to do it, so that you can see those real numbers that matter a lot more than we decide to actually think about it and perceive it as. So that's it for this morning. This is Wednesday, so trying to do a few more videos. I missed out the last couple of days because I was trying to give you guys some better lighting, but then too much traffic and too much wind. So just gonna probably stick around this time so I can be more consistent in getting this done daily. But remember, you guys are greater than a 9 to 5. Have an excellent day. Peace.